guys, welcome back to our channel, and in today's video I'll be making some red pea soup, Jamaican famous red pea soup. I'll be making red pea soup. So if you want to see how I make my red pea soup with pigtail and chicken foot, please stay tuned and watch my video. Please subscribe, comment down below, and like this video if you like this video, and just stay tuned and watch the video. Come on along with us. Let me show you how to make red pea soup. Using to make the red pea soup is pigtail. You can use salt beef if you want, but I'm gonna use pigtail. Some chicken foot freshly washed, Irish, some scallion, our green onion, thyme, scotch bonnet pepper, pimento seed, garlic, red peas, got your red peas, kidney beans, some corn, and some yellow yam, corn and yellow yam, and an onion, and what is name again? The back side, this name celery, yeah. And celery. First what we're gonna do, we're gonna cut out the pigtail, and then we're gonna boil this first before we add it to the soup, because you know, so if we add this just to the soup like this, it's gonna too salt. So you want to boil it some of the salt them first, and then I add it. Yeah, this one may top up. Okay. So after you cut this up to the size where you want. Now I'm going to turn on the stove to take out some of the salt out of the pigtail and add the pigtail to the pot. We're going to make this boil for about half an hour. Take out some of the salt. 8 ounces of peas, and we're going to wash them and add them to the pot. Now we're going to add the peas then. We're going to add some pimento seed to it. Now we're going to add 3 garlic to it. And now we're going to close this, make it go and do it thing. The pigtail and the chicken foot. The coconut milk. Pumpkin, the carrot, the thyme, the scallion, the onion into the pot. Irish and pepper. And this pepper is going to give it a lot of flavor. To add a yellow yam. Add some Grace Cock flavored mix. Add some Grace Cock flavored mix, a Caribbean flavor to it. follow my ingredients, you can't go wrong. We need our flour, so now we're gonna make them and add them to the soup. So first we're gonna make some spinners first. We'll make some spinners first, then make some dumpling. Guys, if you only can smell this soup, it smells so good, flavorful, smells good. Now I'm gonna add some dumpling. And you want your dumpling about this size. You don't want them any bigger than this. For me though, when I'm making dumpling for soup, I don't make them big. This size good enough. That's it. I think it needs some little bit more salt. I'm gonna add a pinch of salt to it, not too much. The corn. We're gonna add the corn. And now we're gonna let that stay for about half an hour. And then it's gonna be done. This is it, and we're done. Yeah. We're done. The dumpling them boil, chicken foot them boil, the peas boil, the corn boil, everything done. So now we're gonna plate it and give one some. I'll get this plate and make them see it. So I'm going. Parsley on top, and this is the finished product, guys. This is the end result of my my red pea soup. Now Maya is gonna do a taste test. Maya loves soup and she likes chicken foot, and now we're gonna do a taste test. So you're gonna taste it and tell them if it's good.
It's good.
It's good?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
Taste more.
It's good.
What does it taste like?
It's good.
What it tastes like to you? Why are you crying? Why were you crying? Soup is good, right?
Yeah.
You give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Okay. Thanks for watching, guys. We had so much fun making this video. Hope you learned from what I did. And I'll leave everything that I used down below in the description box. So if you like this video, please like, share, and leave a comment down below. And thanks for watching, guys. Bye. See you in my next video.
Thanks.